Now, Safari Funded is not available currently on MT4 and MT5. However, they use a platform called the Match Trader platform. So if you want to log into your Match Trader platform, you're going to have to use the same email and password you use for your registration. When registering for Safari Funded, I want to believe that you got an email, a secondary email that had your email and your password. So you want to go there, grab your email and password, and that's how you're going to log into the trading platform on Match Trader. They have the 3K account for just $20. They have the $5,000 account for just, let's just round this up to $40. They have a $10,000 account for $70, and they have a $25,000 account for $140. The phase 1 is 8%, the phase 2 is 5%. Now, something about the phase 1 is if you pass the phase 1 on the same day, you're going to be scaled up to the phase 2 very, very quickly. There's no minimum trading days. If you make 8% on Monday, you can be giving your phase 2 on that same day. So the quicker you can pass your account, the quicker you can get to the next phase. The daily drawdown applies to both the phase 1 and the phase 2. This is something a lot of people don't know. Now, I'm going to be using the $10,000 account as, you know, the standard account for all of these calculations. So for the phase 1 target, 8% of 10,000 for the phase 1, that's going to give you $800. So if you make $800 on your $10,000 account, you have passed your phase 1. Phase 2 is going to be 5% of $10,000 is $500. So if you make $500 on your phase 2, is you have passed your what? Your phase 2 challenge, and then you will be moved to now the live stage. It's compulsory for you to know that you need to pass the phase 1 and phase 2 before getting to the live phase. So for the live stage, you don't have any percentage, targets. If you make 1%, you're going to get paid. If you make 5%, you're going to get paid. But understand this, there's going to be a daily drawdown of 4%. So 4% of $10,000 in a single day, that's $400. So if you lose $400 at any point in time during your phase 1 in a single day, you have lost your challenge. If you lose $400 in a single day at any point in time within your phase 2 challenge, you have also lost your challenge. You need to know these rules. And of course, we have a 12% overall drawdown, meaning that if you at any point in time have lost 12% of your account, 12% of $10,000 is $1,200. So if you lose $1,200 of your $10,000 account, you have totally violated your challenge. You can lose 3% on the first day, which is Monday. You can lose another 3% on Tuesday. In total, you have lost 6%, but because you didn't lose $400 in a single day, your challenge is still active. Now imagine you have lost 3% on the first day, which is $300. You have lost 3% on the second day. You now happen to catch a 1:10 risk to reward trade on the third day. Your account is going to go from 10,000 minus 600. I'm going to be doing this calculation as though I'm talking to kids in pre-KG, because I want you guys to understand exactly what I'm talking about here. We have 9,400. Now from 9,400, you happen to catch a trade risking 1%. I'm schooling you guys here, man. 1% of $10,000 is $100. So on day 3, you risk $100, meaning your equity is now 9,300. So you're still in the game. You now happen to have a 1:10 risk to reward trade. So 100 times 10, that's going to give you $1,000. So $1,000 plus your initial balance of 9,400 equals to 10,400. Now you are back in profit on your account. You have used one trade to recover all your losses and has put you in profit. Okay, so I'm basically breaking down these rules so that you guys can have a clear understanding of what these rules look like. Now for the platform is very, very easy to use, guys. Okay, this is your Match Trader platform, and the platform is very, very easy, very, very easy to use. So if you want to buy or sell, you can see the buttons right here, buy or sell. This is where your lot size goes. So if I want to use 1 lot, 2 lots, whatever the case may be, that's where your lot size goes. Also, you can drag this to bring this down. Okay, you can drag this to bring this up to expose your order pairs. All right, so bring this down because that's not necessary right now. All right, so to go back, look at that. That's Bitcoin, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, Ethereum, US30. All right, you can toggle this. I can drag Bitcoin and place it where I want. I want it underneath gold. So now I have Euro USD at the top, GBP USD, I have gold, I have BTC, I have Ethereum, and I have US30, just like I have it on my trading view. Now I'm going to be using Euro USD. So I want to buy with 0.01 right now. So look at it, buy. Okay, it executes a buy trade instantly executes a buy trade. Now for me to customize my trade, add my take profit and stop loss right here, you can add your take profit and stop loss. So click on this button right here, so you can add your stop loss you can add your take profit. Again, what we know moving from MT4 MT5 is entry, take profit, and stop loss. So this is how to do it on the platform, on the Match Trader, of course after logging in, with your email and your password. So again, that's how to modify your trade. If you want to close your trade, one click, guys, one click closes your trade immediately. Now of course you can also close bulk operations as well. You can also close bulk operations. All right, you can now say advanced order. Okay, advanced order, and then go to pending. Okay, go to pending. Again, you can put your lot size after calculating your lot size with your risk calculator on MyFXBook or whatever calculator you use. You can put your lot size right here. You can turn on the stop loss, put your price, turn on the take profit, put your price, and then set your buy limit and or sell limit. Is very, very simple.